Stuart Kahn with the Sisko team here with a quick video about 10 things that you can do to upgrade and update your house quick and easy. Sporting the coronavirus look, got the hat going, don't want to show the hair, don't want to scare you guys off. But first, happy Memorial Day. Second, I want to make sure that everyone is staying healthy and being safe. Third, take the time to reach out to some friends and family and check in with them and see how they're doing. And fourth, do the right thing whenever you can, and you know what I mean. Now to my top 10 ideas. Number 10, replace an old faucet. That can give the sink or a vanity a new look. Number 9, update to a new shower head in the shower. That could be a whole new experience for you. Number 8, fix a running toilet. Easy enough. Number 7, update hardware in the kitchen or in a bathroom. Number 6, replace or repair a blind or put up some fresh new curtains. Number 5, update some light fixtures in your home. Number 4, replace and update door handles. If you have gold, replace them with brushed nickel. Number 3, paint the front door and give that exterior a whole new look. Number 2, switch up and change picture assortments or buy some new picture frames and put them up and switch them out. It'll give the walls a new look. And number 1, replace old light switches and light plate covers with new ones to clean things up around the home. Just a quick note about the market, it is hot. Homes are selling quick and we're seeing more and more multiple offers with homes that are selling. And as always, feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have regarding real estate or your home. I'm more than happy to help. And again, please share my name with any friends or families that you have who are maybe thinking about buying or selling or just want some general real estate knowledge or home knowledge. I am more than happy to help anyone that you know I want to know. So go ahead and share my name. And last but not least, please have a happy and safe Memorial Day weekend. Take care, everybody.